Hey you guys, today is Friday. It is actually my 1 week post-op appointment that I'm headed to, which I should be there in like 8 minutes. But yeah, I think today we're gonna be getting the drains taken out. Well, I have one drain. Get the drain taken out, as well as I will get to probably see my belly button for the first time because my doctor told me to not take any of the bandages off since surgery, so your girl has been following the rules because I'm not about to be messing up my surgery. So I'm excited for that. I'm kind of scared that the drain is going to be painful to take out, but I mean, it's got to come out, so you know, we'll see. And then also today I have my first lymphatic massage, which is exciting as well. So it's a busy day for your girl, and today is actually my first time driving, so I feel like I'm doing pretty good. It's a little tight, but it's not too bad. But yeah, so I just felt like this would be a great day to vlog for you guys because nothing has been going on since my last vlog. Just kind of healing, walking, wearing my little blood clot leg squeezers. But yeah, today is a good day. It's a day to, you know, just be happy because we're moving forward and not backwards. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and yes. Hey guys, so I went to my appointment with my doctor, Dr. Smith, and I actually ended up getting my drain removed, and low-key it was kind of painful. My scar as well as my belly button looks really good. My scar is super clean. It's kind of from, I wouldn't say hip to hip, but like if I could show, it's probably from here to here. My belly button is like my old belly button, but a little bit better. I want to show you guys, I might show you guys later in the video. Obviously it's only week 1, so it's not going to look the best of the best because it still has a lot of healing to do. But overall, my 1 week appointment was really great. I am super happy with what's going on, and I truly feel like, you know, over the next 6 months I will look completely different. My birthday's in January, and I look forward to just wearing a really cute cutout dress or whatever, you know, and by next summer being in a 2-piece bikini because I haven't been in one in so long. But yeah, so I wanted to update you guys on that. I'm actually going to head out to get my massage, my first massage, lymphatic massage. She said that she's not going to go too hard considering that I did have my hernia repaired. So kind of keep it surface level. Just kind of make sure that, you know, we just keep it nice and safe considering that I did have my insides kind of sewn back up together on top of having a tummy tuck. So I will definitely take you guys with me to, you know, go on that little adventure today. But overall, I would definitely say today is going really great. I'm back at home now. I'm no longer at my friend's house. Since I was able to drive, I just kind of felt like I miss home. I'm ready to go home. And honestly, you know, it's fine because I start work in 2 days, even though I work from home. So yeah, guys, maybe I'll insert some pictures or whatever the case is to kind of show you guys, you know, what I'm looking like right now. And yeah, let's go give this a massage. So today is Sunday, so we are 2 days from my post-op, 1 week post-op, and the massage. The massage was amazing, which I already mentioned before, but I wanted to kind of just insert one last video, which is today, this morning, kind of me just showing you guys after I've woken up. I've applied actually some scar gel. Let me show you guys. My doctor told me to use this for 3 weeks. Now 3 weeks is a long time, But pretty much you want to put this on your scar. You want to make sure that, you know, the scabs, all of the yucky stuff has fallen off before you start using scar remover, which I just thought that after you have surgery and, you know, you have your 1 week, you just start, you know, recovering the scar. But no, this is like a ointment that you put on. Your doctor may suggest this or may suggest something else. Hell, I don't know. But this is what my doctor told me to use. So that's what I'm going to be using as, you know, my scar is, you know, doing its thing and trying to, you know, heal. And then also I put gauze tape over it. So, you know, the white little, let me just show you guys. I think that's a lot easier. I'm recording off of my phone because I'm low-key a little lazy to go grab my camera. So gauze, just like this. I take this, I put it over my scar, and then I just tape it on. I also put it on my, you know, my belly button as well. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I will have another visit in 3 weeks. And at that point, per my doctor, I should be able to start doing the scar remover, like the tape to, you know, help with your recovery of the scar. So yeah, so at that point, I'll go ahead and update you guys, because between now and then, it's just a matter of me healing, taking care of myself. If there's any additional updates, I guess, on how I'm feeling, I will insert that in the next video. And if you have any questions, just let me know, because I'm about to go run some errands because I am up and walking and feeling pretty good. No blood clots. Your girl is healthy. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.